With Minexa.ai, both developers and non-developers train once on a page in the browser, then reuse that scraper across thousands of similar pages for scraping SEC filings data. Open your target page. Minexa prepares to lock onto the correct data section, even when the page contains multiple repeated or nested structures. Open the Minexa.ai extension. This is where you start extracting data from any web page in seconds. Click the button and Minexa.ai begins analyzing the full page. It identifies repeating result patterns and understands how content is organized across the page. Minexa.ai found the pagination. Every run will automatically move through all pages and collect the full dataset. Choose List Only for quick datasets, or Detail pages when each row links to a page with more information you need. Continue works for most pages. Advanced mode is for interactive layouts, where data only appears after the user does something first. The highlighted block contains your dataset. Click Create Scraper to start the analysis. All fields are listed here, including hidden HTML data. Select the ones that matter to you, such as filing date, form type, and download links for SEC filings data. Click API Request to get Python code that interacts with the page before scraping, useful when content only appears after a click or action. Almost there. Click Complete Configuration and Minexa.ai will flag anything unexpected during extraction instead of pulling wrong data. All pages are part of this scraper now. Nothing gets cut off after the first page of results. Your scraping job is ready to create. Scheduling in Google Sheets are optional, but can be configured right here. Click Run, and Minexa.ai applies deterministic extraction rules. Reruns on unchanged pages produce identical outputs for reproducibility. What you are looking at was pulled directly from the right spot on the page. Each column was locked to a specific element during training, so filing dates, form types, and download links are never mixed up. Missing fields show as blank rather than guessed, and running this again on the same page gives you the exact same result. Download the results. Each row maps to one item on the page in a clean and predictable format. One scraper, built once, running forever. That is what Minexa.ai gives you for any website you want to extract data from.